I wonder if you gotta walk up there and go. First one was 2 high rises. It's nice. My brand color right there. You got a lamb. Design up. Walk up. And we got, okay. Some units. We about to see what this looks like. I want a high-rise vibe. I know these high-rises, they be wanting you to pay $5,000 for no square footage. We not doing that. They got some shit in here too. You know what I'm saying? Cayenne.
Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once.
Master? This is Master.
We have floor to ceiling windows here.
What is this?
So this is, I'm sorry, 1089.
1089?
Yes.
Small.
3700.
Yeah. Ain't paying no power bills. Damn, they been small. Yeah, the bed definitely not gonna fit in here. This is a guest room. As soon as you walk in, boom, you got the AC. People walk in here. Boom. Walk in here. Walk in the living room. Looked at Maybach, realized that you broke. You gotta do better. Y'all go crazy with these clothes. What that down there, man?
Huh?
So was you hiding in the closet?
No.
At the bathroom?
Here, around people.
I don't think it's gonna fit. Our dining table is like couch, kind of be scrunching everything together.
And
Boom.
the closet's huge.
Bathroom.
Washer and dryer. Is this the closet?
You say what?
One
this
is
one
bigger. But then the closet is like, it's come all the way in here.
Oh my god, that closet is huge. That's a big pool down there too. It's the closet right here. A little dark. And this is the second apartment. We got a total. And this is the smallest one she said that they have. Yeah, see this one?
Significant difference, right?
Oh my god, this one is pretty big.
Got a living room.
This is the biggest one we've seen.
Holy crap.
Yeah, this is the biggest one we've seen.
Got a living room and a bed. I'm gonna go. So check it out. This is only 1325 square feet. This was more cozy. It kind of gives me more of an at-home feel. Definitely got the too.
Get a view of all those. Hey, yeah, we could put the TV right there. What about that? This is the first bathroom. The hallway. This, I'm guessing, is the guest room. Come here, cooler, queen bed, twin bed. Got 2 closets. Not 1 but 2. Oh snap! I guess that move. You can move up and down. Closet. Oh, this is what she was talking about. You get the view of Cora, I believe. Cora. Yeah. Okay. Then, what's this? Another bathroom. The bad bathrooms. Oh, this is a door. I didn't even know that this is a door. See, this layout is cool. Definitely get something like this.
Any questions about this one?
What was this one again? The price?
It's
Yeah.
starting right around $49.93.
Okay.
That's the price.
So we gonna show the area later.
First bedroom.
What's this? This is the loft. Oh, this is the garage. Oh, this is probably like a little. Oh damn, man, this bit kind of small. We still gotta go upstairs. This is probably like a little guest room down here. Upstairs.
Half bath, like,
Huh?
literally a half bath.
It's a half bath.
Yeah.
Damn, it's probably one of those subdivisions where they build to like invest in shit. Half bath. Okay, this is a good size like kitchen area.
This is a really nice pantry. I like this pantry.
Shit, huge. Turn the lights on. Yeah. Boom.
It's a really nice pantry.
You said that's pantry?
Yeah, I like it. Oh, you walking up all downstairs.
Babe, where you at? Out here whipping up in the kitchen, man.
Yeah, room off Georgia. That's not
If you had guests, you ain't gotta worry about none of that. Oh, this a deck right here. You can even. Man, how you can always push? Little deck, man. Outside look crazy. Shit look crazy on outside, bro. Now we go upstairs. And we upstairs. Boom. Walk in. I guess it's a 3-bed. And it's an okay room. Maybe I was tweaking with the downtown shit. Washer dryer. What are y'all blowing at? Huh? Nah, I don't think about that. What is this? Bathroom. Decent sized bathroom. Damn. She in the closet? Okay. My bad, yo. Messing your eyes up, man. I'm black. I ain't gonna fix my eye, but.
I wouldn't mind living here at all.
Bro, it is hot outside. Like, it is fucking. It's hot. Shower.
The only thing I don't like is this.
Put that motherfucker down.
It's the only thing I don't like.
What you don't like?
Is the fact that the AC unit isn't here.
What you mean?
Close that door. That's what I don't like.
I mean, what would be? Don't everyone got an AC in it?
Not inside the bedrooms.
Oh.
It's normally outside the bedroom, but I still like it.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's only a, what, 3-bedroom?
Yeah, 3. Wait, how many rooms we seen? 1, 2? Oh, third one's downstairs.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be another. It's supposed to be another fucking.
This is a balcony.
Yeah, it's supposed to be another. It's supposed to be a balcony. Oh, I wonder if we take
This is the balcony.
Let me see. I keep fucking getting confused.
See, this is the balcony.
It's 3 stories, y'all. So how do you get up there? I wonder if you gotta walk up there and go. Come look down. This is the 3rd tour. This is the 3rd tour of the day. The first one was 2 high rises. They were small, I'm not gonna lie. I'm the type of person I like to have space. Those high rises was small, bro. Like I couldn't do it. This is a townhouse. It's pretty decent. 3 floors. It's pretty decent. We are going to look at another one. It's kind of far out, not really in the city. This one about 3,700 square foot. So we gonna get that one in today. But this one just look cool, like, you know what I'm saying? Like you come, and you got this whole area is dedicated to like kitchen. Like right here, I can have like a little setup or some dining table. Dining table can be over there as well. You know, you come outside. You know what I'm saying? Come outside if you want. Cool little vibe. Yeah, you got neighbors. Y'all can kind of see how they look. Pretty decent. I don't know how you get to the top. You gonna see. But they also got more too. But the price is a little up there. This one right here is 42. 42 bands, 4,200. I did want to show y'all these vehicles right here. These shit's nice. My brand color right there. You got a lamb, you know what I'm saying? Let's hop out. We can go look at this crib. Told y'all from the last vid, definitely need to move, so security is a priority. So that's what we finna go do. Yo, so we made it to the first property. The light's not on, but the way he got it designed is like a model. Surprised his camera doing well in the dark. But this is it. You got the bathroom. I'm gonna try to turn my light on as well. He got the, you know, design up. Walk up and we got, okay. I'm not gonna lie, out of everything we've seen, I'm kind of digging this. Got the dining room area. kitchen. We don't. We can use this for something else.
Have this just as an open space area. Do something cute right there.
You got all the remotes in this bed. I'm not gonna lie, this is decent, bro. What's the fridge open or did you do that?
No, I love it.
It was open. Let me turn the brightness down. That's the thing about manual, we gotta keep adjusting it. But he got the TV up. As soon as you walk in, he got like a view right here. It's nice. What's that?
He got the fancy.
Bathroom. Okay. You trying to do it big. It's gonna get dark again. The lights is not on, so we gotta look what we got. Boom. Turn the light on for y'all. I'm not gonna lie, this kind of decent, bro. The closet big, boy. The closet huge. Is that a demon bed? I don't know what this is. Wait for the bed. Yeah, this would be like an office room, game room. 2,000 for a coat. It's nice. This like, this so nice that I'm getting like I want it. I want it. Oh, I didn't go to the bathroom. My TV bigger than that. Oh, fancy. Okay. Okay, man.
I like this though.
What that? Oh, that's
I like the
crazy.
storage space.
I wish we can see what the lights was. We'll close the lights. But I'm not gonna lie. It's hot in here again. But I'm not gonna lie. This is nice. Bear with me, man. I'm still working on the settings. I'm trying to get the best quality possible. Y'all let me know what you think. What you think. 3 stories, garage, 2-car garage, safety. Safety's been like the biggest thing I've been looking for when it comes to a crib. Safety. Cause you know, they try to hop in the, you know what I'm saying? They try to hop in the cab. This would be a fire game room, bro. I know I'm black. Y'all work with me, man. Again, the lights don't work in here. This would be a fire game room. It'd be far. Got the garage. But yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think. Is it a cop? Is it a drop? Let me know what you think. Please let me know.